Like I said, guys, we're here at Lupo Motors today. We've shown you some things in our shop stop. What do you think about the flamethrower?
Oh, I love it. You can actually see what you're doing, especially down low and in some tight spaces where, you know, you don't want to kink your neck looking with a headlamp, so those definitely help a lot.
So that'll help you and help you be more efficient. What about that Fur-Eel?
Honestly, it's a must-have. So.
And now I know the Hammerhead, that's the first time you've used that. Did you think that was a pretty useful tool?
Yeah, actually, I'm not only going to get one for the shop here for stuff like this, I'll probably get one for my couch at home.
We also showed you those wraps. Did you find it nice? Was it overly slick or easy to handle the tool?
It does feel good. It's not going to slip out of my hand, but it's not grippy to where I stick to it.
Exactly, and it's going to last years. And it takes an older tool and makes it look better than new.
Detailing brand recognition is super important, throwing your logo out there for everyone to look at.
Absolutely, got to let people know who you are and the kind of work you guys are doing. Congrats, beautiful shop, beautiful work that you're doing. Thanks for taking the time to let me show you a few things, and I hope those things help you out.